Geometry in construction unit number 1, problem number 84. Cassandra wants to determine the distance across the street in front of her house. A drawing is shown below. Two triangles are similar if they have two congruent angles. This angle would be congruent to this angle. These are called vertical angles, and so they would be equal to each other. We also have the right angles are equal to each other. They're both 90, which means they're equal to each other. So with two angles that are congruent, two pairs of angles that are congruent, we know that these two triangles are similar. Okay. Now, I'm going to create a ratio, and we're going to put the answer, or we're going to line these up. So I'm going to do the triangle over here off the street, I guess you could say, in the numerator. So the 16 and the 30. Now, the side that goes with the 16 would have to be this one over here, the W. The side that goes with the 30 would have to be this right here, the 43. Okay. Now, in the last question, I showed you a shortcut. If I see this, I don't see any way I can go from 16 to 30 easily and equally and evenly. There you go, all those words. So I'm going to have to cross multiply. 16 times 43. And then divide by 30. And it comes up to 22.9, and then the 3 is repeating. So I'm going to write W equals 22.93. I'm going to say 22.9. And this was in feet, so I'm going to say feet. So my explanation how I got my answer is right here. Set up a ratio in similar triangles. What is the width of the street in feet? 22.9 feet. And there you have it, the answer to problem number 84.